Next to that, physical and chemical properties of ethers. Boiling point and melting point are dictated by intermolecular forces compared with alkanes of similar molar mass, and ether will have similar boiling points as compared to alcohol of the same molar mass. The ether will have much lower boiling point. We can see here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH. This is the ethane intermolecular forces exist here, and boiling point of this alkane is the 36. Boiling point of this alkane is 36 degrees Celsius. Then when we consider ether, boiling point is 35 degrees Celsius. It is reduced than this parent alkane due to London forces. And next to that, uh, this is the alcohol. Boiling point is appreciably increased here, 170 degrees Celsius, because London forces exist in the in between this compound along with the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is responsible for increases the boiling point in the alcohols. Next, we can compare here boiling points of uh, that alkane, then ether, and then alcohol. Here is 36 degrees Celsius only. Here is 35 degrees Celsius. Not much more difference in between this alkane and ether, but here is increases and due to hydroxyl group attachment here. That means it is due to the hydrogen bonding. Then physical and chemical properties of ethers. Ethers are more water soluble than alkanes because water molecules can hydrogen bond with them. We can see here hydroperoxide, and it is the peroxide. This is the very highly inflammable boiling point of diethyl ether is just 35 degrees Celsius. Cyclic ethers are similar to the cycloalkanes, but possesses ortho atom part to the ring. This is the ethylene oxide. This is tetrahydrofuran in 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-membered cyclic ring along with oxygen atom in there. This is the furan. This is tetrahydrofuran. This is the furan, and this is the pyran. Preparation methods for ethers: dehydration of alcohols are get converted into the ethers. Ethanol, when we use excess of H2SO4, it is get converted into the dehydration reaction will be takes place here, and ethanol is get converted into ethane. Ethanol is after that when it is treated to two alcohol molecules in presence of H2SO4, it is converted into the ethoxy ether. Yeah. One more most important method is the Williamson synthesis. Sodium alkoxide is treated with haloalkane. It is converted into the unsymmetrical ether. This is the most important method of preparation. Then a reaction of chemical reaction of ether, reaction with dilute acid. When it is treated with dilute acid, dilute sulfuric acid, hydrolysis reaction will be takes place, and ether get converted into the alcohol. Reaction with hydrogen halide are get also, it is converted into the bromoethane or haloalkanes. Conversion will be takes place here. Electrophilic substitution reaction are important reactions of this topic. Nitration will anisole or ether after nitration it is get converted into 1-methoxy 2-nitrobenzene, and after one more another product will be formed. It is the 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene. Bromination reaction we can do on this ether anisole bromo product, 2 bromo, 1 bromo and 1 bromo 2-methoxybenzene. That means bromo anisole, ortho and para bromo anisole will be formed. Then sulfur analogous. This is not so much important. Instead of hydrogen here we can add it sulfur. Number of examples are given here, analogous examples. So last part of this topic, we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions. The IUPAC first question, number 1 question is the IUPAC name of alcohol is, it is alkanol OL. Remember that. Option C is correct. Alkanol, this is the aldehyde, this is the ketone. Alkanoic is not here. OL is the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol. Methanol is also known as, it is known as wood alcohol. Then rectified spirit is 95% is percent ethanol. It is called as rectified spirit. Remember, the high boiling point of alcohols as compared to the corresponding alkanes are due to the hydrogen bonding, heavy oxygen atom, water solubility. None of these. The high boiling point of the corresponding alkanes, alcohols, then corresponding alkane is due to the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is responsible for higher the boiling point in the alcohols. Heating mixture of ethyl alcohol and acetic acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4 produces a sweet smelling compound. This is the esterification reaction. The product of sweet smelling product, when we treat alcohol and acetic acid in presence of H2SO4, they are get converted into the esters, and this reaction is known as esterification reaction. The boiling point of paranitrophenol is higher than that of orthonitrophenol because these are due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding exists in paranitrophenol. In paranitrophenol, intramolecular bonding exists. That means bonding into the same molecules, and in orthonitrophenol it is existing to two different two phenolic compounds, oxygen bonding. It is called as within the molecule. This is called as intermolecular, and this boiling point of paranitrophenol is increases or higher than that of nitrophenol because of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Lucas reagent, it is concentrated hydrochloric acid. This is very simple but most important question. Lucas reagent is the hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous ZnCl2. It is called as the Lucas reagent. Next one is ethyl alcohol. On oxidation with K2Cr2O7 gives acetic acid is the answer here. Denatured spirit is mainly used as solvent for preparing varnishes. This is the answer. And the high boiling point of alcohols as compared to the corresponding alkanes are due to the hydrogen. This is a repeated question here. Remember that due to high boiling point of alcohols as compared to alkane, it is due to the hydrogen bonding. So, okay, thank you. Have a nice day.